on my birthday.
Awesome, bro.
Best birthday gift ever. Yeah, man.
Who idea was this? Come here and jump out of the plane.
Wifey.
Oh, she's the troublemaker.
She surprised me.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Good morning, Island Tribe. The Island family here checking in with you all. And today is
My birthday.
Mr.'s birthday. Yay! It's Daddy's birthday, Island. He didn't even say happy birthday, Dad. No birthday for Daddy?
Well, we know what's up.
So guys, we're just gonna go and have some breakfast. Well, I should say brunch, because it's like almost midday. So yeah, that's where we're going for baby's birthday. So let's do this, guys.
Yeah, that's
checking in with you all.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go now.
Let's go. Iced coffee, guys.
Yeah, guys. First breakfast, on a birthday. Yeah, man. And guess what? Also reading the paper, guys.
Like an old man.
Yeah, man.
Rasta. Babe's got his breakfast. Here it is.
Nice settings, isn't it?
Nice setting. So guys, this is my breakfast. Eggs Benedict. Beautiful, yummy, yummy. That's what I say. This is an iced chocolate. Yummy, 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 yummy. Hello, good morning, Island Tribe. This is your girl Maria. Welcome back to the Island family, guys. I'm so happy right now. I'm super stoked. If you had seen my short last night on my page, you would know that I have a big, huge surprise. And the huge surprise is that I have gotten Babe a gift, and the gift is skydiving. So I know that he's been wanting to do this for some time now. I'm sitting in the car, real quickly, I'm sitting in the car because he's inside getting ready. It's like 5:30 in the morning here. He has no idea what's going on. I just said to him, you need to get ready. We're gonna go somewhere special this morning. And he thinks like maybe we're going to the beach. I don't know. Don't know what he's thinking. He never asked me questions. Oh, he did ask me, but I was just playing it cool, like, we're going somewhere, so you just have to bear with me, we'll get there. Anyways, guys, so wake up this morning and it feels like I'm actually skydiving, but I'm not. I'm full of adrenaline. I couldn't get to sleep last night. It was like 12:30, 1 o'clock before I could actually get to sleep, and it's 5:30 in the morning now, so I had to get up really early. So I'm sorry if I look trashy, but it is what it is when you wake up in the morning. Hello. Anyways, guys, ladies and gentlemen, if you're here, stay tuned. This is going to be the adventure to watch, to see. Hubby's first time flying out, jumping out of a plane, and it's going to be full of adrenaline for him. He's going to absolutely love it. I can feel that it's something that he's been wanting to do for a long time. He's been talking to me while he was in Jamaica about having to do like parachuting and all this sort of stuff. So I just thought, well, he has everything he possibly needs, so at the moment. So I thought, oh well, what about if I just get him something like that is gonna bring like heaps of memories and heaps of photos, and you guys are gonna see it too. Like, it's gonna be on video and everything's just gonna be wow. So I'm super excited and I can't wait to see his reaction and what he's gonna say. The last thing I want him to say is, I'm so scared, I don't want to do it. But here you are talking about you wanted to jump out of a plane like a year or two ago, so this is your chance to do it now, babes, and I hope you really enjoy it, hun. We love you so much. Big happy birthday to you. Big shout out to you, my babes. I love you so much, and I hope you enjoy this fully with all your heart. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Love yous all. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and you know what to do. Thank you so much if you're here. Bless.
Good morning, beautiful people.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, good morning. Welcome back to the Island Family channel. Yeah, guys, so this morning, okay, guys, so Babe says she have a surprise for me, guys. You see me? Someday I wonder what kind of surprise is, you see me? We're on our way going to Byron Bay. You see it, so I don't know what this surprise is all about. Byron Bay is close to the beach, so I'm wondering what's going on. Some kind of beach settings or something, I don't know. You see me, but I'm nervous still. I don't know how I go on, you see it, but there I wait, you see it? Yeah, and I'm on way right now, you see me? Yeah, because it's technically still my birthday in Jamaica right now, you see it? So the 9th of December. Yeah, and it would be the 10th here now, right?
Yeah.
But it's still the 9th in Jamaica, you see me? So it's still my birthday, same way. You see it? So yeah. Let's stick around and see what is the surprise, what she has for me, you see me? Yeah, but so let's go now.
So guys, we're here. Babe, I just want to say happy birthday. I love you.
Oh my god, guys, I can't believe this. As we approach, guys, I see this thing say skydive Australia. May I say skydive? What may I say? What me think may I say? Guys, the surprise is I got jump out of a plane, guys. No, this not normal. This not normal already. That's why you bring up the conversation what day or when you talk about a
couple of days ago.
When you talk about if me don't jump out of a plane.
Yeah.
Guys, look where we're at. It's everywhere. Skydive Australia,
guys.
Oh my god, seriously.
So how you feel? You're gonna jump out of a plane today, mister?
This is crazy, I don't know. I'm excited, I'm very excited. This is something I've always say I wanted to do, like even paragliding and all those things, you know, so this is a dream come true, babe, and I'm very happy, very thankful, babe. Thank you, babe.
Oh, yay, guys!
I appreciate it, babe.
A winner. I thought he was going to poo himself.
Seriously.
Do you want nappy, babe?
Oh my god.
Nappy?
I think I might need it.
Alright, let's go, guys.
Let's go.
We got Bobo here in the car. Sleeping.
As me I say, guys, too early we get up this morning, like about 5 o'clock. Me I say, I could have what kind of surprise this, you see me? But we can't believe say this really I got to do an idea. A star. Shadow star. This is real extreme, guys. Yeah. Oh my god, I don't know what to say. Let's just go.
So here we are, guys. The skydiver. Let's do this. Yes, sir. Skydive, guys. Woohoo! Checking in. Checking in. Good luck, baby.
Yeah.
You're going on the plane, jumping out. Yeah.
I'm nervous but excited, so
Let's
see
go.
how it goes, right?
Yeah?
Yeah,
You'll be
so-
alright. You're in good hands.
Thank you.
Mm.
I appreciate it.
Yeah. Go, daddy. Go, 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 daddy. Go. Daddy, go jump at the plane. Feliz cumpleaños, daddy. Daddy birthday. Daddy. Yeah, guys, so happy for him. Yay! Woohoo! The daddy's done a toilet stop first because, yeah, he needs to go. Yeah, guys, I think I'll pull this one off and I hope he has heaps of fun up there. Can't wait for him to just have a really good time. Love you, Dad. We love you, Dada. Hey, we love Dada. Dada love? Dada? Hey. Island's got a bit of a sore lip at the moment. He was playing last night near the fireplace and he hit his lip on the corner, so yep. Give Dad a hug.
Got a hug?
Hug? In the face.
No, up ahead.
Watcha. Can I get a kiss? Kiss. Wow, yay!
Beautiful.
So do you reckon that there's been many Jamaicans that have jumped out of a plane in recent times?
I don't know of any. Especially, I mean, I don't know if anybody do it on YouTube that's Jamaican. But probably I'm the first to be doing it on YouTube.
On YouTube.
And as you know, Jamaican don't like to do extreme things like this, so it's gonna be crazy, guys.
So guys, this is the plane that Babe will be jumping out of. Yes sir. See, I told you, I don't think they have doors. Doors. Doesn't look like it.
Doesn't look like it. This is nerve-wracking, guys. Let's just see.
Oh my god.
What are you trying to do to me, baby?
No, I'm not doing anything.
Oh, this is extreme. This is by far my, you know, best birthday gift ever. And yeah, it's just amazing. It's full extreme. It's full adrenaline.
What do you think, guys? I knew that he would like this sort of thing.
Yeah, well,
it's his thing. The adventurous.
Yeah.
The adventurous of the adventures.
We on a roll now. Let's go now.
Hey. Alright guys, so Dad is now getting prepared to do the jump. There you go, he's putting on his gears, guys. Yeah. Waving. Yay. This would be an experience for him, you know? Come, Mommy. Bye, Daddy. Come on. Bye, Daddy. Bye. Yeah. He's coming back. It'll be quick. It'll be quick, man. It'll be quick. Aww. Alright, guys, so baby's ready to go. Yeah, I'm going to do it now. So this is a quick one, guys, because I've got to cover Island's ears because the plane's a bit loud. Might hurt his ears. Go, Daddy, go, Daddy, go. Yeah. Look at him, guys. He's packing it. He's packing it, guys. He's going. He's going. Woohoo! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Look, Daddy's coming. Daddy's going on the plane. Yay! There he goes, guys. Dada. Dada. Hey, wait, Dada. Hey. Hey, guys, I am so happy and excited for him right now. Like, I wish I was doing this with him, but I'm a little bit scared of heights. The only real height I'm ever going to go is planes and maybe a hot air balloon, but that's about it. Yeah, guys, so just hopefully that he loves it and enjoys it and wants to do it again.
Hello!
Hi.
How's it going?
Yeah.
I see you have a harness on. There's a beautiful blue skies. There's a plane right there. What are we doing today?
Skydiving.
Yeah,
First time on my birthday.
Awesome, bro.
Best birthday gift ever.
Sick.
Yeah, man.
Who idea was this? Come here and jump out of the plane.
Wifey.
Oh, she's the troublemaker.
Yeah, she surprised me. Yeah.
Awesome. So you ready for this, brother?
Yeah, full adrenaline.
Yeah?
Let's go now.
Awesome. Well, say hello, friends and family back home. Let's go push you out of the plane.
Yeah.
Yee-hoo.
Let's do this.
Cheers, guys. Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Yee-hoo.
Alright guys, I know you can't see right now, but they've just jumped. So they're just making their way down now.
There we go. He just landed, guys. He's amazed. I can see he's already like, whoa! He loved it.
How was that, man?
That was amazing.
That's pretty cool, huh?
Trust me, it was amazing. Full adrenaline.
You want to do that again?
Definitely. Yeah, thank
Big
you.
smile and happy birthday, hey?
Yeah, thank you. Best
Good
birthday
job, man.
gift ever.
Do it again.
Definitely.
Awesome, brother. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, man. Oh, guys, that was a crazy experience.
Yeah.
Babe, that was nerve-wracking. Let me
Was
tell you
it?
that. Oh my God. Babe, you guys must see the footage by now. I'm telling you, my mouth was like fully wide open. Babe, that's scary.
Really?
Jumping out. I don't know why I don't have an heart attack. I swear. That was, but I love it. It was fun, but my head is like, even when I just landed, I was dizzy.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but fun. Fun.
That's
The
it.
view was beautiful.
Yeah. How are we, all island tribe?
Wow. Guys, I don't even know what to talk. Don't even know what to say. I'm very speechless at this moment. Guys, hopefully the footage turned out well. You know, hopefully the guy got most of what I experienced. You understand me?
So
Guys,
tell us, how was it? The whole experience.
Alright, you see, the whole experience, guys, was amazing, right? But first, let's start off from going in the plane, right? I was going in really nervous but excited. You see me? When the plane lift off, beautiful scenery, beautiful view, you know, flying across from land to the ocean, you know, like, it's just amazing. I still don't get used to flying in plane as much as, like, you know, it still amazes me to see the beauty by looking down, you see. So going up, let's just, well, the going up is it's 1500.
15,000
No,
feet.
15,000 feet, I should say. 15,000
1500, jeez, that's like up this tree here.
You see, it's 15,000 feet. You're up in the air, guys, so you know that's really high. That's where we dropping from. You see me? Got up there. You see me? Strapped up and everything. Put on my goggles. You see me? I'm the last person to leave to jump off. You see me? The guy did tell me that before, you know, going into the plane. So seeing everyone jumping off, I'm like, okay, you know, keep my composure. But you see, when me approach the door for jump out, guys, literally, me I saying I made Jano, me feel like I want to turn back. Even one time I kind of ease back a bit, and the instructor was like, oh, go ahead. You see me, and me I tell you.
He was like pushing him forward,
Yeah,
and he says,
yeah, you see me? When me look out, I say, yo, I heard that down there, so I see you ocean there, so me I say, January time, really I gotta jump off here, so. Me set to bomb, but me feel, cause up there is very cold, guys, very, very cold. You see me? And the puff of wind that's blowing. You see when me jump out, guys, my God. Me say, it's like someone literally take me and just fling me. Like the wind just take me and pull both of us like whoosh. And I'm telling you, and we just start going around in a circle like this, going down in a circle. Me say, yo, me scream out loud, guys. Me say, I don't even know if he catch that on camera. But I'm telling you, I couldn't even hear anything because my ears were blocked. You see me, so to free up my ears, I had to, like, you know, hold my nose and ear blow. So I'm telling you, I was literally screaming like crazy and I can't even hear myself. And the puff of wind, like the footage, if you got that on footage, it's gonna be even worse funny. Because my mouth was like, like literally, guys. We say it's like we can't close my mouth. We say, guys, this experience, John was star. I say, I couldn't wait for the parachute for us come out because literally me I go down, and me I scream, and I say, yo. I say, guys, when the parachute come out, me feel it go better. But me I tell you, it feel good when the parachute come out, guys. But after a while, like when I go down, still on them way there, it's like me get dizzy. You see me? But overall, guys, the experience was amazing. You see me? When the parachute come out, me more relaxed and calm. But before, like coming down, the adrenaline, my heart was racing. In my head, I was like, am I having a heart attack or what? You see me? So it was like that. But yeah, man, the scenery was beautiful. You know, it's
would you do it again?
Yes, I would. I mean, I would.
Would you recommend our subscribers them?
Yes, I would recommend. Try it. It's me overcome it. Overcome your fear.
Some footage I wanted to get and I couldn't because Island was like really fussy today and he's not teething. He actually hit his lip last night. I think I said that previously, that he hit his lip and it's been bugging him, so he hasn't really been eating much and he's just having like, you know, just soft sort of things. So yeah, but yeah, he's just fussy overall and I'm tired because like I'm literally running on like 3 hours sleep. I was excited. I just couldn't wait for this day to be real and come true, you know what I mean? Like, I just think and I hope that it was the best present for you, babe.
Yeah, I really appreciate it. That top every gift I've received on a birthday is because I never been the type to really fussy about birthday or gifts or anything or have a birthday party or whatever. You see me? So this really topped it off, you see me? Yeah, that's like a dream come true because I always been like, you know, interested in paragliding and all that, and to see that, yo, I'm actually doing a skydive. I actually did a skydive. Like, that's just amazing, guys. Amazing things to do in life. Like, you know, get out of your comfort zone, you know, try new things and just, yeah.
Now I hope, yes, darling, yes, what's wrong? Say hi to everyone. Hi, look at that. Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Bobo trouble.
Yeah, guys.
Anyways, guys, so I hope that everybody in the comment section don't come chasing me saying, Maria, you're too adventurous, you this, you that, you're trying to kill your husband. No, I'm not. Babe has been wanting to do this for a very long time and I was lucky enough to find a place here that does skydiving and I've never personally done it. Will I do it? Probably not because I'm scared of heights. Like I said, the only thing I will ever travel on is a plane, but I wouldn't jump out of one. So a hot air balloon maybe, but that's about where it goes, guys, for me. So I'm just happy that Babe got to experience that because he's wanting to do it.
And I feel like I got all the attention there because it's like everyone was like, oh, a black man skydiving. I feel like that's the kind of vibe I get there.
That's the kind of vibe it was.
But
guys.
everyone was like open. They were like, oh, it's your first time, and I was like, yeah. And they were like, oh, you know, one guy was like, oh, it's my first time too, and this couple that was saying it's their second time. So they really enjoyed it, you know, and yeah,
definitely.
It was
so
amazing.
For anybody that wants to try it out, go for it. If you feel the need that you want to jump off a plane because you're full of adrenaline and you're just, you know, adventurous like want to do the extreme. Go for it. Why not? Alright, guys, so now we're at the beach. We're all ready and prepared. Island Boy's got his costume on.
We're topping off the day with, see if we can catch something. We didn't even bring any fishing rod. Literally just bought another fishing rod, a small one, you know, so yeah, and some prawns which you're gonna use for bait. So yeah, gonna see if we'll catch something as eat. So
All right, Island, do you want to say anything?
Highland.
Island, what do you want to say? All right, good stuff.
Yeah, man.
All right, guys, so it's been a great day. So,
Thank you again, babe, for that.
Thank you.
I really
No worries.
appreciate it.
It's good.
Best gift ever. Yeah, man. Give thanks.
10
So-
points for me. It wasn't a prank, okay? It wasn't
Yeah.
a prank.
Yeah.
So it was just a surprise.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
Wow.
We're on a roll.
We're on a roll now.
Let's go.
Let's go. So yeah, man. Catch you in the next one.
Thanks, guys, if you're watching.
Yeah, man. Blessings all the time.
Bye.
Thank you, guys.
Bye.